Hello everyone, welcome to your channel Wealth Secrets by Rohit. Today I have an important update to be shared by SEBI on mutual funds nomination. The update is for both the old investors as well as for the new investors. For the new investors starting from August 1st, 2022, they have to do either the nomination or they can opt it out as well. Similarly, for the old investors who are already invested in the old folios, they have the option till 31st March 2023 to complete the nomination or either opt it out as well. Failing to do so will freeze their old folios. So it's important to take the action right now. Don't wait for the last moment, as there are high chances that you can forget it at the last moment. So act on it now. So now you might be thinking like why this nomination process is mandatory, why we need to provide the nomination or we need to opt it out. But tell you the reason. The reason is like there are so much unclaimed amount that is kept. There are more than 28,800 crores of rupees that is left unclaimed. The reason for anyone doing investments is like they want their money to grow so that they can use it personally for their family as well, and in case they are not there so that their family can use that amount. But if they are not providing the nominee, then that whole purpose only gets destroyed. So it's very important to provide the nominee at the time of purchase, or in case you have not done for the whole folios, then do it right now, today only. Don't delay it further. Okay, I hope you might have got some valuable information through this video. So can I ask you a favor to do like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can keep getting the updates in case a new video is uploaded. So till then, goodbye and happy learning and earning. Bye.